Welcome to our guide on choosing the best mutual funds. Let's start by understanding what mutual funds are. First, assess your investment goals. Define your financial objectives based on your current situation. Next, evaluate the performance history of the funds. Analyzing past returns helps in making informed decisions. It's crucial to understand the different fund types: equity, debt, and hybrid. Each serves varied purposes based on risk and returns. Make sure to examine the fees and expenses associated with mutual funds. Low expense ratios can significantly impact your returns. Researching fund managers is essential. Their management experience and track record can greatly influence fund performance. Checking the fund size is important. The impact of assets under management, AUM, can directly affect performance. Utilize tools and ratings from reputable sources to review funds. This can guide you in making informed investment choices. Ensure a balanced portfolio allocation through diversification and consistent risk assessment. This helps mitigate potential losses. In conclusion, making an informed decision regarding mutual funds is key to your investment strategy. Do your research and invest wisely.